Now let's open the black one. Wow. Ooh. How? Oh my gosh, it slided. It's also a plain white.
I'm just wondering where this girl got her body. Oh, with no head, just the body only. Who knows?
It's white and gold. Yeah. Now we're halfway opened. Not even halfway. Oh. Now here's a track. Din 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 din.
This bag has the body.
Maybe. I feel like it's big. So it has to have a body.
But this glasses is a dark one. The black one.
It's black. Yep, this one has a body. Why do they make so much straws? Yay, I finished the body. I'm good at the bodies now.
I can put on a dress.
Oh. I flipped it over, guys. Almost. Yeah, I got it. Now let's put on her shoes. We got her shoes out. Now let's put them on. Ow. What are you doing, cameraman?
I'm checking on my Hot Wheels. I just make it feel hot for you. Guys, did you find it?
Yes, I found it. She has high heels this time. See her?
So you got 6 girls Actually, 5.5.
Because one doesn't have a body.
Yeah, that's right, 5.5. You got 6 heads actually.
Yeah.
6 heads.
And 5 bodies.
Yeah, 5 body. It's funny.
Now I know how to put on the water bottles. Just slip them on their hand. That's easy as pie. All these things look the same. Why are all these look the same?
I don't know.
They're
It's not
like
the same, not exactly the
No,
hairdo.
all of them have
No, the
purple
hair, this one is
dresses, except this.
Uh,
For the one that has no body. This girl has a big water bottle. This was the first one I opened, pretty sure. Now, this one,
nobody, but
nobody has a head for you.
what are
Nobody.
you looking for?
A water bottle. Yeah, one of them is in here. Yay. You see, it's in here. Now she got a water bottle. And the last water bottle is in here.
You can put a water bottle under her neck. Stitch it in her neck.
It's way too...
Way too big.
So, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. We want 1 million subscribers. So, press the subscribe button. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.